Hello, my name is Vadim. I run zonephoto.com and I came to Lithuania to do a talk about how to increase your sales. Well, it was the biggest audience I've been talking to, but I found the vibe being very, friendly, and everyone is really supportive and like a little family. So it was easy to actually talk and share my experience with this audience. So the atmosphere was great. The event was amazing. Augustus, who is organizing the event, has really thought about all the details. He's been really caring, paying attention to everyone really who comes to the conference, both speakers and also people who coming to attend. So yeah, it's definitely worth coming, and there are good thing is the after parties where everyone can network, and it's also a big plus, to really grow your network and meet a lot of amazing people. Everyone being so open, like to new ideas, to new collaborations. So there's definitely a way to find. I have found few people that definitely we're gonna work together later on, and it's been definitely a great benefit for me and also our business. If you have a chance, definitely don't think about it, just come to these events because you will gain so much. And usually, like a few people I know, they came for the first time to Amazon conference, and now they definitely see potential why people come to these conferences and they want to go again and again.